All right, we're gonna make some make-ahead breakfast sandwiches. So make sure you stick around to the end because Eric's gonna make us a delicious cocktail to go with our breakfast sandwiches. So I've got some English muffins we're gonna toast up in the oven, some Canadian bacon and some provolone cheese and about 10 eggs. I'm gonna show you how easy this is to come together, and you can change it up. Different cheeses, different meats, no meat, whatever you like. So these are gonna go in the oven, 375 for about 5 to 8 minutes. I'm just gonna check them just so they're nice and golden brown. About 8 minutes, just a light brown on there. I'm just gonna use a little vegetable spray, kind of spray a 9 by 13 pan. This so my eggs don't stick. I've got 10 eggs in here. I'm putting a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, some black pepper, freshly ground, nice pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna whisk this up. And so it's funny, one of my friends, Renee, her youngest daughter, Ella, has started to cook. She's been actually watching my videos. We actually FaceTimed the other night and she made these awesome paninis. So Ella, I'm hoping you're gonna make these for your mom and your sister and your dad, okay? All this mixed up, it's gonna go in this pan and it's gonna go in the 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Throw it in the pan. Just gonna pop them in the oven 20 minutes. They'll just get nice and set and firm. Just on your middle rack. I've got 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in here. I'm just gonna put my Canadian bacon slices. And all we're doing is just really heating these through. I just like to get a little brown on them. But you could do these with anything. They'd be great with sausage, with bacon would be delicious. Okay, just gonna give these a flip. See, they just got a little color on them. That's all I wanted. It smells really good in here. Can't wait for breakfast. All right, these are nice and brown. Oh, it smells so good. All right, just waiting on the eggs, just a few more minutes, and we'll be ready to assemble. All right, just getting this out of the oven. Actually, this took about 18 minutes. I just wanted to come just so the eggs are set, and that looks perfect. So the great thing with this, we make it a real simple one today, but you could put like some cooked spinach in that. You could put some mushrooms in there. You could even put like some sausage, turkey sausage, anything, kind of almost like you're making a big frittata, right? But we're just trying to keep it simple today. So all that is a little bit of salt and pepper. There you go, a little bit of cream in there. Okay, so we're just gonna make 8 squares out of this. It's gonna come kind of right down the middle there. And then again down the middle. See how I did, if I made them even, I don't know. It looked pretty good though, right? The trickiest part is always getting the first one out. So let's see if I can do this without making too much of it. All right, not bad. Okay, obviously too, you could, butter these English muffins. That would be delicious. I'm just trying to watch calories, but that would be fabulous. So nice melted butter on there. And then I'm just gonna put a piece of ham and a piece of cheese on top, and then just put a little topper on there. And I'm just gonna continue assembling just like that. All right, so these are ready to wrap up and get in the freezer. I'm just gonna put a little piece of parchment paper down. Just kind of wrap this up. There you go. Perfect. That's ready to go. You can just put these in a big Ziploc, label them, and you'll have breakfast.
Hey guys, thought it would be nice to make a cocktail to go with our breakfast sandwiches, and what goes good with a brunch, nothing better than a Bellini. So we're gonna make a Bellini. We're gonna make it with some mango nectar. So we'll just get our Prosecco here. This is super easy to make, super quick. That's the hard part right there. So you want to fill it up about 3/4 of the way with Prosecco. You could also use champagne. About 3/4 of the way. And then you just top it off with, you can use pineapple nectar, you can use peach nectar. This is mango, it's just what they had in the store. And then I like to put a little decoration. Got a mango slice here. Put it right on the side. All right, doesn't that look good? Kim, why don't you come over?
All right, these look fabulous.
Cheers.
What a great brunch. Thank you, baby. Mm. Oh, those are yummy.
That's good.
Awesome. Great
All
job.
right. See you later.
Excellent. Enjoy.